and welcome to Wedding Day TV with me, Peter Sefton. Now, there's been an invention made by a company called Concept Shed in Cornwall, and this is a wedding vending machine. This is called Autowed, and it is 8 foot tall, which is 2.4 meters, and it is pink. And the makers compare it to a parking meter mixed up with a Cadillac. Of course, a pink Cadillac. And they've actually received quite a lot of interest from all over the world, from Russia, Brazil, and loads of other places as well, which they haven't listed. And they're based in Falmouth. You pay £1. It plays the wedding march. You put in both your names, you exchange vows and press I do on the keys, or escape. Which is one. I do or run. Also, what you get for your £1 is, as well as the music and the pressing of the buttons, and of course a little kiss, of course. You actually get a wedding receipt and 2 plastic rings which come out of the machine in an egg-shaped plastic capsule. So that's all from me, Wedding Day TV. Thank you very much.